Our next guest is showing us some easy appetizers that you can make for your next gathering. Please.
Chef Brian Theis is a He's a recipe developer, author of The Infinite Feast: How to Host the Ones You Love. I love that title.
He's all shiny. He's all shiny.
I am shiny.
There you are. He's live in
just
studio.
like an Oscar statue.
Yeah, that's true. I like that.
I just decided to go for it today.
I'm so glad you did. Thank you for joining
for the
us.
first time. It's my pleasure to be here.
You have quite the spread here.
This is my Oscar party. The Oscar goes to our Oscar party.
Yeah, right.
Thank you.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
We're talking about New Orleans.
Yeah, you split your time between New York and New Orleans. Do you say New Orleans or New Orleans?
New Orleans.
You say New Orleans.
Yeah.
I know some folks kind of New Orleans.
New
Yeah,
Orleans.
you say New Orleans.
New Orleans.
New Orleans.
It's not really
You
New
out
Orleans.
yourself as a tourist if you say
know
New
that
Orleans.
you're like work for the airport in New York or something. So.
Exactly. So what is that experience like, by the way? I mean, these are two totally different cities. Just tying in your cooking.
they complement each other really well. You go down there and you're kind of like big, easy, laid back, cool. And you come up here and you're like, oh my God, we got to get this everything done. Yeah, oh man, I'm on.
Right.
So it's good to have the contrast.
Yeah, I like that.
How about from the culinary side? You blend anything you get from there?
I mean, two hotbeds of culinary deliciousness.
They are, I think, the two number ones in the country.
Yeah.
The two top ones. So that's a great thing. And having friends at restaurants who are great chefs and everybody keeps me kind of on my toes and informed.
Excellent.
I love that. So.
I like it. Good thing for us, they keep you on your toes because you're going to share some of your stuff.
Absolutely. This is my Malibu hummus.
This is
right, and the interesting thing about it is it does not have tahini in it.
Oh,
most people would say, "Whoa, no tahini in it."
Hummus without
What are you
tahini?
talking about? I have friends who are nuts who have nut allergies.
Oh, okay.
So I want to make sure they don't have to go to the hospital, the ER,
Feel free.
and so I make it without tahini.
Without tahini.
I'm gonna go.
Seeds can trigger a nut allergy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is the substitution,
Yes.
or is it just we're not even gonna?
It's totally packed full of delicious vegetables, and there's some sour cream in there. There's some horseradish in there. All kinds of things that make it really good. And it's all about the garbanzos and the cannellini beans.
I don't miss it. I don't miss the tahini.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
I don't miss it at all.
I mean, you couldn't like put this on the shelf at the grocery for a long time, right?
Yeah.
You got to kind of eat it when you make it.
Yeah.
Right.
So there is that aspect
No, it's
to it.
it's a whole different. It's a different species.
People love it. People make it all the time. Yeah.
I'm one of those people. Also, just a reminder: these are things that you can make at home as an appetizer.
Sure.
Or I love the call. Hi, we're coming over. And
Absolutely.
I'm like, what am I going to do? What am I going to make?
Yeah, I mean,
folks?
this is a little bit of effort, but it's real straightforward. Everything, all my recipes are very linear. It's like start at the beginning. Step. It's not Julia Child as much as I love her.
R.I.P.
We got this going on here and
Yeah.
here and here and here. Everything is very straightforward and easy to follow.
Okay.
So yeah.
Wieners.
Wieners.
What
These
do
are
we
my
got?
cocktail franks and what I call my Luau King sweet and sour sauce, which is delicious.
You used a pineapple as the vessel.
I did. Isn't that
That's
very
that.
mid-century, Trader Vic's kind of thing going on?
I like that.
Wow all your friends.
What are we talking with this
that.
sauce?
The sauce is, we can make it
We're
real
gonna whip
quick
this up?
if
Okay.
you'd like.
Yeah.
It's got applesauce, duck sauce, chili sauce, horseradish, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and black pepper. So fairly straightforward,
Okay.
not too many ingredients.
What do we do here?
Well, just put it
That's
all
it?
in there.
Get in there.
That's your.
I know you had hand surgery, so we wanted-
stirring this. I did. I'm doing okay though.
And chef, these are just whatever cocktail hot dogs you can
Those
get
are not
at the store.
something. Yeah, you can't really walk into a New York supermarket and find those too easily. They're easy to order on Amazon.
Okay.
Whole Foods tends to have
Yep.
them more often.
Yeah, but
than
you
other
want
places.
them
New Orleans, you can walk right in and they have
Or
them everywhere.
just book a
So,
flight to
yeah.
New Orleans
Exactly.
and get your
cocktail franks from there.
and get your thing.
So in goes your chili
not
sauce.
bad. It's
Nice
not
job.
bad. Oops.
Yep,
No,
you
yeah,
already
nice-
got your duck
nice
sauce.
job.
You're good. don't worry.
Horseradish?
We don't judge
Horseradish.
him on his
The
messages.
hot horseradish. That's
The whole
2
thing?
tablespoons, I think.
This
Just
is
put it all
this is
in.
heavy duty
Teaspoons,
stuff.
Teaspoons, yeah,
Okay.
2 teaspoons.
And
And
what is this?
That is apple cider vinegar.
okay.
Good for the gut.
It's healthy now.
And then we have lemon juice,
Lemon
ta-da,
juice.
followed by pepper,
pepper.
black
Pepper.
pepper, very important.
All of this?
Yep, all of it.
Oh, look at him.
Yeah,
Give it a good whisk. Give it a good
So,
spin.
stir
Scared
that
of you,
up.
kid.
And you got the same exact thing that you already
I'm gonna
tasted,
try it.
right? So it's right.
look
And
at
then
that.
now,
It's
so
good
we don't
looking
run out
like
of
that.
time. This is my
Yes.
Oscar-winning
The star.
movie star cheese ball.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God!
It's not a ball, it's a star.
I do cheese balls all the time. This one's in the shape of a star. I do Christmas trees. I've done angels before. They're kind of
love
short.
that.
They're kind of short and chubby, but
They're little cherubs.
it's a cheese ball.
That's a
you
cheese
know
ball.
what I mean?
Okay, I'm gonna
What,
try
is,
this
what
out.
exactly is a cheese ball? Because
A
I
cheese
didn't
ball,
know what it
yeah.
was until
Right.
about 5 years ago.
Sure. So cheese ball also is a sort of a mid-century animal. They were very popular back in the day, and I serve them all the time. And they're popular today too
Yeah.
because people just go crazy eating them up. This is very straightforward. It's got cheddar cheese. It's got pepper jack cheese. You definitely want to get a little kick in there,
Yeah.
right? Worcestershire sauce, some hot sauce for even extra kick, and you kind of got it going on.
Can we
So
dig
it's-
it? Can I
so it's
dig in?
forgiving
You could
basically-
dig right into
Where's
that.
a good?
There.
Do you go in the
Anywhere.
middle?
Right
Do
in
you
the
take?
Do whatever. It's up to
Yeah,
you. It's
like
here
that.
for
Go
you.
in the middle.
Like a
and
lazy-
It's
then
here for you to attack it.
Excuse me.
So it's forgiving.
Forgive
You
it.
just get all the cheese in there. Do you
Yeah,
have
yeah.
to melt the cheese? Or
No,
you
no, no
just
melting.
At,
No melting.
At room
No,
temperature,
you
and
literally
put
you
everybody
want
together.
your hands to be real clean,
Thanks, Dawn.
right? You want your hands to be real clean. You get in there, just mix it all together in a great big bowl.
What's the green
and
stuff
then
in
you
there?
have to be that's
Chives? No.
no, those are scallions.
Scallions.
Yeah, I put those in for a little extra. Sometimes
I
I'll
like
put bacon in, but not usually. So just depends.
So any sort of soft cheese,
Yeah.
you can get it all together.
Yeah, the regular cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese,
Yep.
that's kind of holds the whole thing together.
Got it.
Yeah, and then the whipped cream cheese goes on top. It helps to be a sculptor. I was a sculptor at
Of
college,
course you
so
are.
I see that.
Sheesh.
yeah. So
Clearly that's
you
a
have
one of
to-
a kind.
You have to have
Showstopper.
you have to have a little bit of confidence in
Yeah.
your sculpting abilities, I suppose. But
Well, I'm just going to call
Everything
you
was
because I have
delicious,
no
by the way.
confidence in my
Thank
sculpting
you.
ability.
Thank
This
you very
is
much.
Fantastic.
Loved it all. Very
Thank
good.
you. Come back and visit us again.
thank you. I'd love to.